If your Vizio subwoofer isn't connecting to your soundbar, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that in a few easy steps. This works for most Vizio soundbar and subwoofer setups. Let's jump right in. Alright, first things first. Your subwoofer needs to be plugged in properly. You've got two cords, one goes into the back of the subwoofer and the other goes into the wall outlet. Make sure it's plugged in all the way. Usually your Vizio subwoofer comes already paired with the soundbar, but if it's not working, you may need to pair it manually. Here's how. Make sure the subwoofer is powered on. There should be a little white light showing. If it's off, hit the power button to turn it on. Then hold the pairing button on the subwoofer for about 5 seconds. The light should start blinking. Now go to your soundbar, hold down the power button on the soundbar for about 5 seconds. After that, let go. You should see the LED lights on the front of the soundbar blink 3 times. That means your subwoofer is now paired and ready to go. Next up, let's get the remote ready. Pop the back off, put in the batteries. They should have come with the soundbar. Close the cover, and your remote is ready to use. Now, turn on your TV and soundbar. When both are on, the soundbar will automatically search for an input. The LED lights on the front will start cycling through the different inputs. Once it finds an audio source, it will connect on its own. Still not getting sound? Use the remote and press the input button, the one in the middle. This will let you toggle through the audio sources. If needed, you can also hold down the input button for about 5 seconds. This puts the soundbar into a searching mode, blinking as it looks for an audio signal. Make sure something is playing on your TV while doing this. That helps the soundbar find the signal quicker. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech how-tos like this.